So it's a massive day for the little Grom today because we've got all this cool stuff to get on it and hopefully make it just that little bit cooler. So here we are out in the garage and it's time to get to work on the little Grom and make it a little more personal to me. Probably not going to go into great detail on a lot of this stuff because there's hundreds of videos out there showing you how to change bars and that sort of end. So I've got the camera. I think I'll just set it up and we'll try and do a bit of a time lapse and I'll interrupt when I feel like it. Now when it comes to bar end mirrors, you generally get this terrible little rubbery thing, which actually doesn't even fit the Honda bars. So no, it won't fit my Honda. So what I do is I have this lovely thing. This is a riv nut gun. And basically what I will find is there will be one of these. That one's too small. So M8 is probably what we want. I think of these ones. Even then, yeah. That's not quite tight, but now what I do is I'll convert the gun to the M10 and then we squeeze very hard, very hard. Unscrew, and now we have a 10mm thread up the inside of there, which I doubt, but sometimes you're lucky. Which, yeah, I'll find another bolt, and before you know it, that will bolt in there instead of just. Yeah, I'll find another bolt, so that will bolt in instead of just that crappy little rubber thing. bolts that were in it were too short, so I had to find some, which in itself was a challenge. So overall, and, you know, the paint's terrible. I can see, well, I don't know if it's paint or powder coat, but either way, it's not that great. And I can see in time, it's just all going to flake off. I had to pull the back indicators off, which is something that's going to go anyway probably, but not at the moment. I might try that. See if I can get to it. And yeah, there you have it. There's that little luggage rack. I don't know how well that shows up. It's quite sturdy. And yeah, not an easy one to get on. Bye bye stock exhaust. Bye bye.